clarificatory question dito sa DepEd order to ASEC. Sa mga sample schedules na binigay nyo, I noticed ginagamit nyo yung 1 hour per subject, no? Ibig ba sabihin nito, tinalikuran nyo na yung dati nyong patakaran na 45 minutes ang subject?
ASIC Junior.
Mr. Chair, that yun sa policy naman po na yun na lumabas kami ng ng amendment to that so that we can adjust, and we're thinking na maybe the 1 hour, as you know, a majority of the teachers, there was a clamor for the 1 hour subject. Yun na pong inadapt mo namin dito, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so yeah, well, yan na, Mr. Chair. Parang yoyo rin ng DepEd sa mga patakaran nila, especially with regard to the curriculum. For the implementation of the Matatag curriculum, ginawa ang laking adjustment na kailangan gawin. May impact ito sa learning. You know, you shorten the minutes, sabi nila makakabuti raw to. Ngayon, okay, balik tayo maybe. Parang ganon. So yun yung concern natin, Mr. Chair.